Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the skin tightening home remedy DIY for skin tightening, open pores, skin blemishes, etc. So here I will share you the remedy, and if you like the video then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more useful videos. So for making this I am taking a container, empty container. You can take any container, and I will be using here rose water. I'm making it water based, and if you want to make it oil based then you can replace this rose water with sweet almond oil. You can take sweet almond oil instead of rose water. So here I'm taking 4 to 5 spoons of rose water. If you want to replace it with almond oil, sweet almond oil, then you can do it. Definitely you can do it if you have a dry skin, very dry skin. So next thing I'm adding is aloe vera gel. You can take any brand. Here I'm taking ready-made aloe vera gel. Fresh aloe vera gel if you will use, then the shelf life of this serum will not be very long. So here I am taking 1 to 2 spoons of aloe vera gel, and after that I am using rose otto oil. So friends, we all know rose essential oil is very good for our skin. For anti-aging purposes it works like wonders. For example, it reduces the skin blemishes, dark spots, pigmentation, and it also lifts up the skin, loosens skin. You can apply it on the neck, on your face, under your eyes, so that the skin can tighten up. Regular use of this serum, you will notify the difference in your skin. So next thing I'm taking is frankincense oil. Friends, frankincense oil is the most suitable for anti-aging skin, and it reduces skin blemishes. It reduces the appearance of large pores, it prevents wrinkles, and it also helps to lift and tighten the skin. It slows down the signs of aging. The oil can be used anywhere the skin becomes saggy, such as abandoned jaws or under the eyes. Simply we need to mix the essential oil with the carrier oil and we can use it. Here I am using rose otto oil and frankincense oil. The combination of these two oils works wonders. This DIY I found very useful, and I thought that I should share it with you all. So apply it every night on your face, clean face, and leave it as it is, and you will see, or you will notify the difference within 2 to 3 days. Use continuously for 1 month, 2 months, you will see the magic. If you have liked this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.